Today I'd like to share some stories that may resonate with most of you. Stay tuned to the end of this video and you might win a free F3800 Plus, your reliable backup power. So welcome back to the Sawmill, friends. In honor of hitting 200,000 subscribers, which I should do maybe by the time this video comes out. So guys, stay tuned to the end of this video because you could have a chance to win a free F3800 Plus, your reliable backup power. Alright friends, real fast, be sure you stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll give you guys all the details on the giveaway. But real briefly, I want to share my story about a blackout that we had here last fall and how the Anker products really helped us out and got us out of a bad way. Not only my family, but also my parents. So if you guys recall last fall, Hurricane Helene came through Northeast Tennessee, Southwest Virginia, just all the areas around where we live and just tore it up. It was terrible. Mass flooding, utilities were down for several weeks. Some people still don't have utilities restored to this date. Losses of homes, losses of lives, just a terrible situation. And that's where my story kicks in. Luckily at my house, we was only without power for 24 hours. I was shocked because there was people around here that was without power for a couple of weeks. And my parents were one of them. So they called me up and said, hey, our power is out and we don't have a generator, even though I've been telling them for years to get a backup generator. So what do? Being the good son that I am, I packed up my Anker SOLIX, I headed over there and I came to the rescue and powered up their refrigerator and their freezer, which are the most important things they had to get power to because they had so much food stored, it would have went bad within probably 8 to 12 hours. So at the end of the day, my story actually has a good ending because I was able to help them out, get a generator to them, save the food in their refrigerator and freezer, and also give them a peace of mind and a little comfort as well. And another important thing was keep their cell phones charged with that power unit because you don't have communications. And if you lose your power, there's no way to charge up these cell phones unless you want to go sit in your car or something like that. So that was another great resource for that generator, was keeping their cell phones charged up. They're an older couple, so it's very important they have a lot of communication so they can let us know if something happens or if they're in need. Because when they called me to tell me the power was out, the last thing my mom said was my cell phone is down to 10%, so if I don't call you back, my phone's dead. So I knew right then we had to get over there and get them powered back up. So guys, here are the rules for this giveaway. Anker SOLIX is inviting users to share their real-life blackout survival stories. They want real-life engaging stories, whether it's funny, dramatic, or a heartfelt experience of facing storms, surviving blackouts, or overcoming challenges. Also guys, the winners will become the star of their own video. A professional film crew will come out to your location to tell your story and showcase your resilience to the world. And in closing here, friends, a real big thank you to Anker SOLIX for sponsoring today's video and this giveaway. We really appreciate that. And guys, this is really quick and simple. There's a link down below in the video description and also in the top comment. Go fill out a form, tell them your story, and you got nothing to lose, and you might win your very own home backup unit. I got 2 Anker SOLIXes here at the farm, and I use them all the time. They're always great to have on hand, and Anker products are built to last. I have several of them. Had no issues out of them. So once again guys, go enter that giveaway. There's links down below and good luck in advance.